Kids! We're going to use this website that you should have seen already that is going to help us explain Huygens' principle and also things like, this one is just going to talk about how reflection and refraction work in terms of that, but it's worth a watch. First of all, notice medium 1, index of refraction of 1, so air. Medium 2, index of refraction of 2. So, I don't know, some kind of dense material. It's not quite diamond, but it's a lot more than glass or water. So, and our index or angle of incidence is going to be 45 degrees. So, let me just show you a couple things. I'm going to hit here, and it says it's got some awesome words here that you should probably read these awesome words. But here's the thing that I want to show you. Do you see how when the wave hits here, it's like each of, every point along here is a wave source? And do you see how along here you're getting that wave, along here you're getting that wave? See how those waves are constructively interfering along here? Constructively interfering. So let me hit the next step. So again, I got my waves coming in at 45 degrees. Here's going to be all my point sources. Remember, there's really a zillion billion point sources along here too. But you see how these point sources, the waves on this side are moving slower than the waves on that side because that's the higher index of refraction. But you can see how the constructive interference causes these waves to line up like that. Okay, so lots of constructive interference. Let me hit next step again. So I have my waves coming in here. And then, so it's going to bend this way, but if you watch, you can see how, hey, the waves are reflecting, constructive interference, constructive interference, constructive interference, and then if I hit pause, you can see how these waves are going to be going along that angle, which is 20.7 degrees that you can figure out from Snell's law. Wow, what an amazing demo. All right, and then last one, just kind of the same thing, just so you can see it. Actually, here, I want to turn it to 0 degrees. Let me hit restart. We're going to do it at 0 degrees. So just to show you if it comes straight on. If the wave comes straight on, and this is an important couple things I just want to show you. So, hey, when it hits here, all of these waves move out. This would be the wave moving back. This would be the wave moving in, but do you see how all of these point sources are causing constructive interference? So what you actually see is just that line moving. So there you have it. Bye, kids!